Welcome to Byte Further. Today's video is about how to fix iPhone XR support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen. You're seeing the restore screen on your iPhone XR, which shows a support.apple.com/iPhone/restore message at the top, an image of a laptop, and a lightning charger. What's it? Officially, a restore screen, which is also called connect to computer screen, is an iPhone recovery mode screen. It means that the device can be used to connect to iTunes or Finder even when it's unresponsive and fix software issues. Then, why is your iPhone XR stuck on support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen? First of all, you're likely to see the restore screen when you're restoring or updating your iPhone XR via connecting to a computer and the process goes wrong in the midway. Second, you're backing up the content but there's not enough space left for the data and the process is stuck. Then, your iPhone XR stuck in recovery mode, showing the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore alert. Third, you enter the recovery mode by yourself mistakenly. You pressed some buttons and somehow your iPhone XR says support.apple.com/iPhone/restore. Fourth, you dropped the phone on the floor or into water mistakenly or didn't replace the screen correctly at Apple Authorized Repair Center. Next, we'll show you how to get iPhone XR out of support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen and turn your phone back on so that you can use it again. It doesn't matter if you see iPhone XR showing support.apple.com/iPhone/restore during the update, restore, or backup process. Or you just want to exit the recovery mode screen after using it to fix some iOS issues. Just walk through the 4 solutions here one by one until you successfully bypass iPhone XR restore screen. Now, let's start. Okay, the first thing to do is to force restart your device. Doing a force restart can quickly power off your iPhone XR that shows support.apple.com/iPhone/restore, refresh the system, and then turn it back on without deleting anything. All you need to do is to quickly press and then release the volume up button and volume down. Then, press and hold the side button on the right until you see the Apple logo. Now, just start once you are familiar with the button press order. Volume up button, volume down button, and then hold the side button for a few seconds. You will see support.apple.com/iPhone/restore error disappears from your iPhone XR and the screen goes black. Still keep holding the side button. When you see the Apple logo shows up on the screen, let go of the side key. All that's left to do is to wait for your device to boot up and go to the home screen. The next solution is to update the iOS software. If, after force restarting your iPhone XR, it still brings you back to the restore screen with the stuck support.apple.com/iPhone/restore message, try updating your device. You'll need a USB cable and a computer to do the update. Here, I'll use a Windows computer and iTunes software to show you update under recovery mode. The steps will be almost the same if you're using a Mac computer and the Finder application. Start with connecting your iPhone XR to the computer with a USB cord and turn on iTunes. A few seconds later, you'll see a message saying that there's a problem with your iPhone there with the update and restore button. If neither the computer nor the iTunes or Finder software detects your phone, try another USB cable or another computer to continue. Then, go with the update button and finish the following instructions as prompted. Now, it'll start downloading the latest iOS software firmware and then installing it into your phone. Depending on your internet speed, the process may take 1 to 3 hours to complete. So please wait patiently. During the software installation process, your iPhone XR will show an Apple logo with a progress bar. When it reaches the end, your device will boot up. Now, you managed to fix the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen on your iPhone XR. The third solution to bypass the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen is to wipe clean iPhone XR and start over again. Here's the warning: you'll lose everything on your phone after the reset, including the photos, messages, contact, etc. Though, it's not a big deal if you've backed up the content on your iPhone XR before it's stuck recovery mode screen saying support.apple.com/iPhone/restore. Now, let's start. Use a USB cable to plug your phone into the computer and run iTunes or Finder. You'll see the pop-up message again with update or restore. To fix the restore screen issue, to move past the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore message, choose the restore button. press the Update and Restore button and finish the following steps. Wait for the application to wipe clean all the content in your phone and bring it back to the factory settings. Once done, your phone will go to the hello screen and won't get stuck on the restore screen anymore. Till now, you should fix all the software-related problems that cause your iPhone XR to get frozen on support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen. If you've followed those steps but iPhone XR still shows the restore screen, your final solution is to go to a repair store to examine the hardware. If you can't force a restart to remove the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore message because one of your buttons is broken or stuck, your best bet is to contact Apple for support and service. That's all how to fix iPhone XR showing support.apple.com/iPhone/restore message. Hope this video can help get out of the restore screen and turn the phone back on. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.